The world's largest EV battery maker just built a motorhome that charges faster than your phone and costs half what you'd expect. Traditional RV companies are panicking. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 2026 BYD Motorhome, an all-electric RV that's about to flip the entire industry upside down. We'll cover why this matters right now, the futuristic exterior, the tech-loaded interior, insane performance specs, and a price that'll shock you. Let's jump in. BYD isn't playing around anymore. They've conquered the electric car market in China. They're outselling Tesla globally. And now they're coming for the RV industry with technology nobody else can match. This motorhome represents a massive shift in how we think about mobile living. While American and European RV makers are still bolting diesel engines into fiberglass boxes, BYD is building a fully integrated electric platform from the ground up. This isn't a conversion. This is purpose-built electric architecture. The timing is critical. Campgrounds across North America and Europe are installing EV charging infrastructure. Gas prices remain volatile. Emissions regulations are tightening everywhere. The RV industry has been ignoring electrification, and BYD just walked through that open door. The 2026 BYD Motorhome looks like it rolled out of a sci-fi movie. This is a 40-foot electric coach with design language that screams future. The front end is dominated by a full-width LED light bar that pulses when charging. Below that is sealed aerodynamic fascia with active air intakes that open only when cooling is needed. There's no traditional grille because there's no engine to cool. Just smooth, sculptured surfaces designed to slice through air. The body is constructed from lightweight aluminum and composite materials. BYD shaved nearly 4,000 pounds compared to similar-sized diesel motorhomes. That weight savings goes directly into battery capacity and range. Solar panels are integrated into the entire roof surface. These aren't add-on panels. They're laminated directly into the roof structure, providing up to 1,800 watts of continuous charging in full sun. That's enough to run all your accessories indefinitely without touching the main battery. The side profile is clean and modern. Flush door handles, frameless windows with electrochromic tinting that darkens automatically, and aerodynamic wheel covers that reduce drag by 12%. The slide-outs are reinforced with aerospace-grade materials, extending smoothly and silently with electric actuators. The rear features a full-width LED display panel that can show charging status, custom messages, or even function as ambient lighting for outdoor entertaining. It's wild and totally unnecessary, but it looks incredible. Step inside and you're in BYD's vision of mobile luxury, powered by their consumer electronics expertise. The dashboard is pure minimalism. A 15.6-inch rotating center screen controls everything. HVAC, navigation, battery management, solar monitoring, entertainment, lighting, all through one interface that's actually intuitive. The driver's display is a head-up projection system that keeps critical info at eye level. The seating area features modular furniture that reconfigures based on your needs. Dining mode, lounge mode, sleeping mode, everything adjusts electrically. The upholstery is vegan leather with cooling and heating elements embedded throughout. The kitchen is fully electric with induction cooking, a combination convection microwave oven, and a refrigerator that runs on DC power directly from the battery bank. No propane, no gas lines, no combustion anywhere in this vehicle. The countertops are engineered quartz with wireless charging pads built into the surface. Climate control is next level. BYD's heat pump system provides heating and cooling with 300% efficiency compared to resistance heating. It can precondition the entire interior before you even wake up, scheduled through the mobile app. The bathroom features a water recycling system that filters and purifies gray water for toilet flushing and exterior washing. The shower has variable pressure settings, and the whole system is designed to extend your freshwater capacity by 40%. The bedroom includes a queen-size bed with adjustable firmness, blackout shades with UV protection, and a 43-inch display that drops from a ceiling. Storage is everywhere, all accessible, all designed with actual usability in mind. Here's where BYD absolutely dominates. The battery pack is a 250 kilowatt-hour blade battery, BYD's proprietary lithium iron phosphate technology that's safer, longer lasting, and more stable than conventional lithium batteries. Real-world range is 350 miles on a single charge. That's actual driving range, not marketing fantasy. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system produces 480 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of instant torque. This thing accelerates like no motorhome should. Charging speed is absurd. With a 350 kilowatts fast charger, you go from 10 to 80% in 28 minutes. That's bathroom break time. The onboard charger handles everything from standard 110V outlets up to industrial three-phase power. Regenerative braking captures energy on descents, adding up to 15% range on mountain driving. The air suspension system auto-levels and adjusts based on road conditions and load. Towing capacity sits at 5,000 pounds, and because it's electric, there's no power loss when towing. The motors simply provide more current. This is where BYD drops the hammer. The 2026 BYD Motorhome starts at $189,000 for the base model. Fully loaded models top out around $240,000. That's 40 to 50% less than comparable diesel motorhomes with half the technology. BYD is using automotive-scale production and vertical integration to deliver premium features at mid-range prices. They're not trying to compete with million-dollar coaches. They're targeting the volume market with better tech, lower operating costs, and a price that makes electric RV ownership realistic. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is a wake-up call for the entire RV industry. Electric is here, it's viable, and it's coming in hot. Drop a comment with your thoughts on electric motorhomes. Smash that like button and subscribe for more RV and EV content. Catch you in the next one.